Konnichiwa.
You're so
Hi.
handsome.
Thank you. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
We're from India.
Oh, India. Nice.
Yes.
Oh, so many people around. Hi.
They are very happy to see you.
Thank you. Where in India do you live?
In Northeast India, in Manipur.
Manipur.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I know Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam. Manipur, I've heard of it.
Yeah, Manipur. We're from Manipur.
What language you speak?
We speak Meitei and our own mother tongue, and then English, and then Hindi.
Oh, what is your mother tongue?
We have different, like she's Tangkul, she's Pumai, and then she's Mao.
Wow, that's interesting. So
Yeah.
how do you say how are you in each language?
In my language, then it's Koso Nuncha.
Kosto noncha.
Yeah, that is Nepali. Nepali, I'm Nepali.
Oh yeah. Kossa. Tikso.
Uh,
Like that.
yes!
Yeah.